Hey guys, Inder this side from 24/7 everything. Hope you all are doing great. We are again back with another video and this time it's on Vivo Z1 Pro, or I would say Vivo Z1 Pro. So finally Vivo has launched a new update for this particular I would say smartphone. So already installed version is 6.70.9 which was shipped with the security patch level of November 1, 2020. So with the latest version, which is 6.70.12, is nearly about 164 MB. So, and as per the changelog, they have mentioned that they have fixed the issue of occasional sound loss during the calls and so on. And apart of this, nothing else has been mentioned. So as we are in almost like verge of a completion of January 2021, so I am anticipating the security patch level of January 2021, but we'll surely verify once I complete the download and installation process. So let me tap on download and install. So depending upon your Wi-Fi connection, mobile internet connection or whatsoever, it will take appropriate time at your side. So once it will download, it will like extract in the background, then it will prepare for the verification, and after it will directly move to the installation wizard and phone will be restarted. So like verifying upgrade package and so on, the phone has been now restarted. Now it will move to the I would say update setup wizard, where it will be mentioning that Vivo, or I would say installing update, do not play with volume buttons and so on, because it may result into the I would say a soft brick or hard brick. In the meantime, it will move to that particular next section, like which I was discussing. So apart to this, in the coming like by February or March 2021, we will surely be getting Android 11 update for this particular phone. Although this is not an official statement from Vivo yet, but I have read this on some I would say reputed forum. So let's see, on the basis of that, will we get in February or March or not. So let's wait till the time this particular installation process will be completed and our phone will be rebooted and moved to the login screen, and afterward we'll verify what's the new security patch level has been shipped with this particular update. So finally the phone has been logged in successfully like after installation. So let me just enter my password. So now let's move to the settings section to verify which new package has been installed. I would say in terms of security patch and so on. So for that, I'm just moving to system management and afterward about phone. And it's really strange that Android security patch level is still 1st November 2020. I was anticipating that it should be at least like 1st December 2020 or maybe January 2021. Let me just move to the system update section. So it has updated, but it hasn't updated any security patch level. So it was really strange. So this was all from my side related to the latest update available for Vivo Z1 Pro with the version 6.70.112, or I would say 12. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. And apart from this, please subscribe to our channel, because this will surely motivate us and boost us to create more videos like this in the coming future. Finally, it's the time to sign off now. Bye for now. Thanks.